Really gorgeous, and there's that handwork that you do. It's just so delicate and gorgeous. And I don't know what to tell you. Obviously, the blooms, the way you handle watercolor, and then when you came in with the excellent detailing in the eye and all, this is just a beautiful piece.
Tiny brush, the secret.
Tiny brush, yeah. But you managed to work well with tiny brushes combined with some obvious watercolor blooms and washes there. So that's what made it, to me, so dynamic, was the combination of those techniques. Something that was loose and something that was very tight. And I think it's a wonderful piece. I also think it was really nice that you left it on a high contrast white background or some sort of background that really made the delicacy of this color obvious. So you did a great job of it.
As avatar for my daughter.
Really?
Why, yeah, I learned it like
20 minutes?
because it's watercolor.
Yeah.
You have to work really fast.
But still, that's just, that work there on the head is amazing.
It wasn't wet, so you
Mhm.
have to completely
Oh yeah,
with
oh
wet.
I understand. Yeah, I do understand.
Not so big.
Yeah. Which is why I don't do watercolor anymore.